Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Mint Mobile Home Internet, which is also called MINTernet in 2026, including the pricing, the data limits and coverage, and whether it is actually worth it in 2026. So you can come to know about it by this particular link, which is mintmobile.com/5G home internet. On this particular page, you will see the information about the pricing, the data limits and coverage. So before hopping on to that, let's briefly understand how MINTernet actually works. So Mint Mobile Home Internet is a fixed wireless service that runs on T-Mobile's 5G network. It uses a wireless gateway that connects to the nearby cell towers and then turns that signal into the Wi-Fi for your home. Now over here on the home page itself, you will come to know about the pricing. So the lowest price point is $30 per month, but only if you already have a Mint mobile phone plan and pay upfront. Without that, you are going to basically get it for $40 per month to $50 per month, depending on the plan length, since Mint uses prepaid plans for 3, 6, or 12 months. Now, if we talk about the speed and the performance, so typically its speed range from about 130 mbps to over 400 mbps, which is good for streaming, browsing and most of the daily tasks. However, since it is wireless, the speeds can vary based on the network congestion and your location. Now, Mint advertises unlimited data, but there is a soft limit. After around 1 TB of usage, your speeds may slow down during the busy times. The coverage depends on the T-Mobile's 5G network, so it is available in many areas across the United States, but not everywhere yet. So in order to know whether it is available in your area or not, you can fill out this form, which is the step 2, which is check your address. So here when you provide your address details, your city, state and zip code, after clicking on this particular check address option, it will show whether it is available in your city or not. Now, MINTernet is a great budget option if you want cheap, no contract internet with simple setup, but the pricing structure can be confusing and performance is not as consistent as fiber or cable. So you need to keep this point in mind as well before choosing Mint Mobile Home Internet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.